Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 trading brokers you guys should be using to make as much money as possible. As traders, as investors, our number one goal is to make money. And if a broker can help give us an edge over other traders or over, ourselves and being more confident in understanding the market, hey, it is 100% worth it. So we're going to be looking at 1, the broker I use, 2, a beginner-friendly broker, and another very, very awesome broker that I've used as well. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you do, smash that like button and subscribe. But if you guys want to learn more about trading and investing, check out our school. It's awesome. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. Make sure you guys check it out down below. We got all types of tiers, starting out from beginners all the way to pro traders. So check it out. And guys, let's dive into this. But before we do, if you guys want to sign up with any of these brokers, there's going to be links down below. So click that link, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there. All right. So broker number 1. Broker number 1 is the broker that I've been using over the past 7 years. This is Moomoo. You guys know, if you guys have been following the channel for a while now, I love them. Now, the reason why is because they offer free level 2. They offer really awesome charting, scanning tools that traders like myself use to get an edge over other traders, because you can find support, resistance. You can see different tendencies with the stock. They have a trend prediction tool, which is really cool. And they do offer a whole bunch of AI and artificial intelligence tools to help you get an edge. And I think that's what's important, getting that edge over other traders, which Moomoo helps. Now, they do offer extended trading for, pre-market and after hours, which is also very exciting. Obviously, they do offer options. You guys know I'm not an options trader, but they do offer it, and they offer low fees. They offer 0 commission. So, if you want to capitalize on share size, maybe with that small account, you can do that here because they offer that fraction shares. One last thing that I absolutely love, and kind of why I chose them, was because of paper trading. If you guys are starting out and you don't have thousands of dollars to learn with, hey, I get it. I was in your shoes too. They offer paper trading. So using simulated money to practice your entries, your exits, your risk management structure and system, it's great. Now, with everything that I've used, obviously there's cons, there's downsides. And sometimes with Moomoo, I honestly think that if you're just starting out using them, it's going to be very, very overwhelming. So the biggest thing that I would recommend doing is, if you're watching this, spend 5 to 10, 15 minutes a day just messing around with the platform, learning, putting charts up, drawing trend lines. You guys will learn. I think the biggest thing to learn is to just mess around with it and get your hands on it. That's my little tip. Now, with Moomoo, they only offer 1 broker's account, which is just a standard broker's account. And hey, yes, it would be nice if we could have our IRAs or Roth IRAs in one place, right? So you're not making several different brokers accounts elsewhere. It would be nice if everything was all under the same roof. Now, broker number 2 is going to be Robinhood. Robinhood is great. Hey, I love it. Very simple, beginner friendly, and they do now offer that Robinhood Legend, which is the new trading platform that Robinhood offers, and it's great for people that are starting out, because you guys can use fraction shares, great charting, technical indicators, scanners, all that good stuff. You can open an account quick, which can be a good thing, but also a bad thing. They have built-in crypto trading, so if you are that type of trader, that's why I put this on the list. Robinhood is going to be the best option, and they offer several different account types, ranging from IRAs to, honestly, you can get a credit card with Robinhood. So almost every single account they do offer, but they have limited charting. I think there's better charting elsewhere, and same with the technical analysis tools. I do think there's better options elsewhere, but hey, it's beginner friendly. It's easy to use, and I think that's what's important. They offer no level 2 without an upgrade, which does cost monthly, and there has been past history of outages or just order flow issues, right? I think we all remember during the whole GameStop era, Robinhood actually wasn't sending orders because the hedge fund they work with was losing money. I don't think that's right, but hey, I don't think that's right either way. All right. Broker number 3 is going to be the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. I love this one. professional grade. It offers great charting, scanning, technical indicators. It's highly customizable, very similar to Moomoo. They offer that demo account, very similar to the paper trading that Moomoo offers. This one has better option, better options for option traders. In my opinion, I trade stocks. That's why I go Moomoo. But hey, it can be a great broker. But I think this one's very similar to Moomoo, where it could be a little overwhelming, especially coming from a site like Robinhood, where it's all very easy to use. And this is gonna require some time to learn, there. All right. Let's break down all these one last time. Moomoo is great for pretty much trading, swing trading, day trading, stocks. Robinhood is beginner friendly, and then TD Ameritrade is going to be kind of a little combination of all of them. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. I'll see you guys in there. Make sure you guys like, follow, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.